Okay, this is going to be a flyby of the CBR 600 F4i with stock exhaust. I have a Yoshimura RS3 that I'm putting on later tonight, so I'm going to do some comparison videos here. So this is just on my street, so I'll probably only get up to first or second gear, but nevertheless, you'll hear what the exhaust sounds like. So let me get it set up here. There we go. Alright, I couldn't go that fast because there was a kid playing at the top of my street and his parents were outside and I didn't want to get like in trouble or anything, but you got the basic idea. So yeah, it'll sound much better later today. But this is a 2001 CBR 600 F4i with only, how many miles on it now? 4,300 miles on it. So, and that's the original engine and everything, so it's in really good condition. So, yeah.